Greetings, I'm Mark Thomas from Anthonauts, and welcome to Soul Food. So you are driving through the South, and y'all are hangry for some soul food. But how is this any different than eating plain old Southern food? Soul food is defined as food traditionally eaten by Southern African Americans. Well, that's a start, but let's dig deeper. West Africans ate common foods such as cassava, yams, and hibiscus tea. When Europeans trafficked them to America, slaves then subsisted on cornbread, sweet potatoes, and red drink. Slave masters gave meager provisions like cornmeal with animal byproducts, so African cooks became creative with their meals. One innovation was not only to cook their meats in lard like Europeans, but also encrust them with flour. They would cook their pork with plants such as collard greens, which would create that nutritious pot liquor. In the 1900s, millions of African Americans fled the poverty and racism of the South to cities like New York, Chicago, and Oakland. This comfort food now serves as an edible Southern souvenir, which helps to unite the community. During the 1960s, black activists used the term soul when referring to anything associated with African American culture, including soul food. So, how do you think this compares to Southern food then? Well, think of Southern cooking as a regional superset to soul food, which shares common influences. In Louisiana, we have the Cajun po' boy sandwich, as well as the Creole jambalaya. There is the famous Texas barbecue, which has its roots in both Native American and African deep pit roasting culture. When you gobble your biscuits and gravy in the morning, you can thank the Irish who prefer full breakfasts instead of continental style. And of course, the number one is Southern fried chicken, which you can literally find all over the world. Even though both soul and Southern foods are very tasty, they are also very unhealthy now due to their high fat, sugar, and sodium content. Fortunately, there are good alternatives, like at this restaurant called Solely Vegan in Oakland, California, where they serve absolutely delicious meatless soul food. Ultimately, Southern soul food is about our cultural bonding around great food and beautiful memories. If you find this episode appetizing, please be sure to subscribe for more cultural entrees. Also be sure to leave your likes and comments below and at anthronauts.com. I'm Mark Thomas, your traveling anthropologist. We'll see you next time.
Booyah!